This is the Z-LED UFO, Ansell Lighting's robust LED low-high bay for industrial, commercial and retail applications. In the box you will find the Z-LED UFO luminaire, the fitting instructions and the eyelet or loophole. Other items you may require include the suspension chain, fixing screws, cable ties, click connection block and galvanized hook plate, as well as a set of carabiner clips. Please remember each installation will vary depending on installation environment conditions. Please note, the required fixings are dependent on the weight. Please check the weight and fixing before installation. Firstly, turn off the electrical supply. Accurately mark up and measure out for the fitting. Use a star-shaped drill bit for investigative drilling to make sure you are to the side of the joist. Drill a hole for your supply line and pull it through. Cut and prep your supply line. Attach the clip connector. Attach the brackets to the ceiling. Measure the jack chain and cut to the required length. Connect to the carabiner. Connect the packaged eyelet to the UFO luminaire. Ensure the hook eyelet is securely attached. Attach the chain with the carabiner to the eyelet. Hook up to the galvan hook plate. Attach the luminaire to the connector. Connect the click connection plate. Restore the electrical supply. Then switch on your luminaire. For more information, please visit our website today.